Jackson. Okay. Ready, Nathan? Let's go play with him. Okay, let's go play with him, guys. Hello. Hello, you wanna come play? Oh yeah, I'll come play. Let me invite some of my other friends. Hey, you wanna come play with us? Sure. La 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 la.
Hey, you wanna play with me? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Can I play too? Sure. Can I play too? Sure. Can I play? How about the boys play with the boys and the girls play with the girls? Can I play too? Yeah. Can I play too?
Can I play too?
Yeah.
Can I
I
play
love you.
too?
Thank you, guys. Let's go play something. Let's play tag. You're it. Who wants to be it? I'll be it. I'll be it. I'll be it.
I love basket.
Wait, what base is this? This is an orange base. It's fiery. And this is a nightmare base.
I love basket.
These are superchargers.
No.
They have vehicles.
No,
Hold on. I
I'm
have to go grab a vehicle. Here's a vehicle. It's full engine and it can roll, can play, can do all sorts of things.
Oi.
It's like a regular car. You can play with that.
Can I play with the hot stream? Can I play with hot stream?
Hold on, no.
Okay,
Okay, these are very unique. And if you actually put it into the portal, which is over there, and I can probably show you if somebody brings it over here, but, and this is, these are new, there is a supercharger episode, and then you can play as these characters, and then I just love this one, and these are very, very unique, because there's a portal coming to it, and here's a portal, here's a supercharged portal, and this is the regular portal. So you stick this on, like so.
Oh, this is supercharger.
No. We only have 2 superchargers. Let's put the car on. Well, we certainly can't play it. So let's just put one giant on. On this one, you can only put a car and it's regular phone. But if you do this, it won't actually work. It only works if you do it like that. And I love this because it can turn. I used to have a flat one, but I can't really find it anymore. I think I did. You ready? I think it's time to say bye-bye. Here's the portals. Here's the portals. Okay, I'll show you the game. Here's the Skylander Supercharged disc. Let me see if it's in there. Oh, it's in here, guys. All you do is just pop it out. It's from Activision. I love Activision now. It goes to the Xbox. See? We still make it brand new. Because it feels like it's brand new, but it's not that brand new. It kind of is, though. Let's just stick it back in here. Here's the disc, guys. Okay.
You're on fire!
Sit down. Okay, I think that's it for today. See you in the next video. Goodbye, guys. Say goodbye. Nathan, say goodbye. Jason, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.